Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to log into your Amazon account using your mobile device. First of all, download and install the Amazon Shopping app from your App Store or your Google Play Store and then open the application on your device. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the home page of Amazon. Go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the human icon, and on the next page, click on Sign In to log into your existing account. If you don't have an account yet, you can tap on Create Account and follow through the process and create a new account for yourself. To log into existing account, click Sign In, and on the next page, go ahead and enter your sign-in credentials. You'll need to type in your mobile number or email address associated with your Amazon account. After typing it down, click on Continue. On the next page, type down your Amazon account's password in the text box. If you don't remember the password, click on Forgot Password link and follow through the on-screen instructions and reset to a new password. But if you remember your password, type it down in the text box, and then, after typing down your password, click on Sign In. Soon after you do that, you will be able to log into your Amazon Shopping application. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.